Hi girls, welcome to my art class. I am Princess Valeska, and today Barbie is having a magical pajama party. But she needs the cutest, comfiest outfit ever. Let's design a pink polka dot pajama set and fluffy bunny slippers for her.
Ooh, yeah!
Drawing. First, let's sketch the cozy long-sleeve top with a cute collar and 5 little buttons. Then let's draw the matching pajama pants. This looks so warm and soft. Coloring. Pink. Let's splash some beautiful pink paint everywhere. White. We add white collars, black buttons, and lots of lovely white polka dots. Lilac. Look at the sparkles shining on the fabric. It's so... Drawing. Now for the best part, the shoes. Let's sketch 2 giant bunny ears for the slippers, with sweet little eyes and a tiny nose. Oh, they look like real little pets. Coloring. Pink. White. Sparkle. Dress up. Are you ready to see my pajama magic? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at Barbie. She is wearing the real pink polka dot pajamas and the fluffy bunny slippers. She is so ready for sweet dreams. Barbie loves her new cozy style. Thank you for drawing with me today, girls. Don't go to sleep yet. Click on the next video right now to see more fun and sparkly dress-up stories on my channel. Bye-bye.